Okay, let's give a quick tour of Doceri here, starting with the icons on the top. This is, of course, where you have all your files located. Starting to record using the record button. You can record and pause there. And this is where you can start to choose some of your backgrounds. So when you tap that, you're going to see a number of choices show up there. There you can import images and shrink or size them to your page. If you want to export as a PDF or something like that, you can do that here. And here's your first sort of writing tool, and this is the fountain pen tool. And this one's really kind of neat because depending on how fast you use the pen, you get a different look to your line. So you can see if I do slow, it's thicker. If I go thin, it's faster. It looks like it doesn't have a very consistent look to it. And you can see that you have different tips available and different sizes and different colors. And here is the regular pen tool, so that just, as we draw like any thickness, we can do all kinds of adjustments there. Also, we have the highlighter tool here, and the highlighter tool does just that. Oops, let's actually turn that on. So the highlighter tool does that. It does highlight, and it gets actually darker the more you highlight. We also have the line tool here, and you can see right now my line is set to arrows, but you can see all kinds of different other options. This is similar to the pen tools. We also have the rectangle tool, and it has a slightly different color palette option, but we do have different pen styles for the edges for the rectangle as well. And if you have a rectangle tool, you must also have an ellipse tool, so that if you want to draw a circle or an ellipse, you can do that. And finally, if you're making mistakes, so you've drawn something out and you don't like it, you can hit the erase tool and erase that so nobody can see your mistakes. And this is redo, and this is undo. This will clear your whole screen if you want, and this gets you to the settings page. And we might talk about that in a different video. And finally, the last thing that we want to talk about is the navigation. And so this right here will let you either add a new slide or go to the next slide, and this one right here will let you go back one slide, one increment at a time.